Hey people, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be looking at why you need to own 5 million AMP tokens now. Want to know all about it? Watch till the end. Also, we are giving away $30 to 2 random subscribers at the end of the month. To enter the giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe and comment on your favorite crypto coin in the comments section below, and most importantly, watch the video till the end. AMP is an ERC20 token used as collateral in the Flexa network, which is a payment service company that developed AMP. The company's initial responsibility is getting merchants to accept crypto payments through Flexa. Flexa and AMP run together to solve the classic problem in crypto, which is how to buy a cup of coffee with your crypto. If you've ever sent Bitcoin, you know that the transaction often shows up in the receiver's wallet within just seconds. However, the transaction is not actually confirmed until much later. Many merchants need 30 to 60 minutes to guarantee that they don't lose money because of a double spend or chain reorg. This long waiting time is where Amp and Flexa come in. The Flexa network permits a merchant to accept an instant crypto transaction without making the customer wait a long time. The easiest way to think about Flexa and AMP is as an insurance for transactions. The merchant pays a small fee to accept cryptocurrency payments through the Flexa network. Investors buy AMP coins and stake it. The staked AMP tokens work as collateral against loss. If a merchant doesn't get the crypto they were supposed to, enough staked AMP coins are liquidated to cover the merchant's loss. The 1% transaction fee that the merchant sends is then used to buy AMP on the open market and distribute it to the AMP stakers. With this method, you can see how AMP and Flexa work together to create a decentralized solution to crypto payments.
That would be great.
The merchant can accept instant payments since they are insured against loss. AMP stakers receive a passive income while taking the risk that a small part of their coins could be sold to reimburse a merchant. The more merchants that use crypto payments via Flexa, the higher the staking yield. This model is brilliant because the staking yield comes from real-world utilization and does not depend on constant token inflation. Now, Flexa is propping up the staking yield by distributing coins from the treasury. Yet that will end once enough merchants are using the protocol to support a generous staking yield. There are 3 questions why AMP and Flexa network can bring instant crypto payments to the world. Firstly, regulatory approval. Flexa is registered as a corporation in Delaware. In terms of financial regulations, NY is the most challenging state in the union. Secondly, staking drives Flexa adoption rates. AMP's staking yield creates an incentive for investors to buy and hold the coin. The more AMP tokens that get staked, the more payments Flexa will make. Since AMP's staking yield is sustainably created, users don't have to worry that the value of their tokens will be diluted over time. Thirdly, merchants wish to use AMP. High credit card transaction costs cut into a merchant's baseline in a big way, although the cost can be even higher in some cases. Switching to Flexa and accepting crypto instead of a credit card can save the merchant 66% or more of their payment processing fees. That's an awful lot of money saved, and it means that the Flexa network doesn't have to force their solution on anyone. Furthermore, merchants can easily integrate Flexa into their POS terminals. In most cases, they don't have to buy any additional hardware. Flexa targets to solve this problem using its AMP token. AMP is used as a collateral token, which backs up transactions on the Flexa platform. Users aid the system function by staking their AMP on the Flexa network and gaining rewards. The entire process ensures that merchants get the compensation they require while allowing shoppers to use their digital currencies to pay for goods and services they need. As you can think of, this process will likely be in huge demand in the future as more and more people begin to hold cryptocurrencies. As Flexa is mobile-based, all that is required for the vendors is to generate a QR code from their end that will be scanned on the user's Flexa app. Therefore, as an added benefit, No cash is transferred, encouraging a more cashless society. The AMP token is basically an ERC20 token, meaning it is built according to the Ethereum blockchain, as these tokens can be utilized across the entire Ethereum ecosystem in areas such as decentralized finance and NFTs. Thus, AMP coins may have the power to offer other uses for holders. The currency immediately rose to an all-time high of 12.11 cents on June 16th, even though this high was short-lived. Ever since then, the price has dropped around 59% to current levels, with a few bullish spikes in between. Following a similar methodology to buying stocks, it's crucial to consider the various external elements that may affect the coin's price. This is a key component of our AMP prediction and helps ensure the token is purchased at the optimal time. With that in mind, let us look at the technical and fundamental factors that are related to AMP. From the price analysis, the value of AMP is stuck in a sort of range right of now. Price has recently bounced from the support level of around 4.2 cents and formed a proper bullish close on the daily chart. This tends to indicate some upward momentum beginning, which is great news for AMP investors. Notably, AMP is reaching the edge of this falling wedge pattern that price is stuck in. These patterns form when momentum is building and generally form before a breakout. At the time of making this video, the AMP price live is testing the boundary of this wedge, looking for a close above the line. If we see AMP close outside this pattern, it would indicate a good investment opportunity. If this happens, we will likely see the price trend go upwards in the 7.8 cents area. This would mean some great returns for investors over the short term. Data from CoinMarketCap shows that AMP's market cap was just over $2 billion at the time of making this video. This is relatively small for a crypto and makes AMP the 57th largest cryptocurrency in the world. Thus, the AMP prediction values the coin at 50 cents by 2025. It is essential to make the right decisions while investing. Study the market, know what you can invest, and it is advised to consult a financial advisor if you intend to invest hugely. With that, we've come to the end of the video. If you found it interesting, make sure to hit the like button and let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. See you soon with another exciting video. Until then, goodbye.